If you want the thing you love, you must have a big power, baby. And when you hear that, don't run out of feet. It's back from heaven. For you have me. I come over here, what? Love it, come over. Look what I've done. I've been alone so long, I feel.
You should stay in your bed, honey. You know I'm gonna be bringing it to you. Oh, yes, the cheese. Oh, yes, the cheese. Seriously, bro? Why you gotta be on the counters, though? Like, it makes me think nasty, but you're natural, whatever. Just don't touch my butter. Just don't touch my butter, okay? That's all I ask, Mr. Ant. Don't touch my butter. Is it understood? I'm dying! Oh my gosh, really? Is this real life? Wow. That's right, buddy. There's no piss here. No, piss never even existed. It's good. How you doing? Oh, look, as I'm holding the camera, there's a freaking ant running on me. Sweet, bro. I told you just don't touch me. Jeez, that's one rule.
Okay, so I wish it wasn't windy. Because if it wasn't windy, hello, I would definitely be starting a fire and burning all my boxes. I see a bird. Where are you? I saw it. It's over there somewhere. There it is. Alright, whoa, it's like I've never seen the sun. Kind of. It's been a while. Alright, so, well, this isn't very comfy, and the hearts are awkward. We're gonna have to burn this. Yep, we're gonna have to burn this. Something. Alright, it rocks pretty good. We might keep her. I don't know. So I've been cleaning. If you guys are ever wondering what I'm doing when I'm not making videos or streaming, I'm cleaning. Or, you know, driving the bus, or training for being a bus driver, or walking Maverick. That's about what sums up my life right now. It's really pretty cool. I mean, I have no complaints. Why would I complain? I'm blessed. I'm rocking on a very old heart rocking thing. I was never fond of hearts. Probably because mine has been broken so many times. That was supposed to be a joke, and it was such a bad joke. You're welcome. So, yeah. I still haven't edited the videos that I have going because I know I need to, like, make an intro or explain what's going on in the video. I don't want to do anything anymore. I just needed the house not to smell like piss, and I needed it done. I needed it done, and now that I'm done doing that, I'm just like, okay, maybe I can relax now. And then I'm just like, wow, the weather's breaking. I need to do so much. Things I'm excited to do. Very excited to do. I feel like I have an eyelash in my eyeball. Oh no! Help! I think we're okay. I don't know, man. I'm just like breaking out. I feel my freaking abdomen getting like denser and like bloating. And I know it's just filling up with blood and it's just getting ready to pop, my friends. Like, it's coming. And I'm not excited. It just changes like my whole, not everything about me, no, but you can definitely tell the week and a half or something before my period because I start getting more drained. My like hypersensitivity of what I'm thinking and feeling is just like heightened by so much more. I hold it in pretty well, especially now that I'm not drinking. I really hold it in really well. But even still, that doesn't mean like I'm not dealing with things that people don't know I'm dealing with things. Ow. What is life? What is all of this? Anyways, what is this? What is this? What is this? I don't freaking know. What do you think? I know stuff? I mean, maybe some stuff, but far less than what there is to know. Stay humble. Let's just have a nice, awkward in-between of the month, and, you know, just say hi. How's it going? We don't have snow right now. That's pretty cool. Sun's out, bun's out. Yeah, living life. Happy Monday, the 22nd. Keep on keeping on. Living my best life. Mwah.